In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add no Etsy order. If you're shopping for something personalized on Etsy, like an engraved wallet, a custom mug, or anything that needs special text, adding a clear note to the seller is essential. I'll walk you through where to find the personalization box and how to write your note so your order turns out exactly the way you want. Start by opening your web browser and going to Etsy.com. You can do this on desktop or mobile. The process is the same. Browse or search for the item you want to buy, then click into its product page. You'll want to be on the full listing page where you can see photos, price, variations like size or color, and the seller's description. Once you're on the listing page, scroll a bit and look for a section labeled Add Personalization or simply Personalization. On desktop, this is typically located near the variation options, just above the Add to Cart button. On mobile, it may appear as a collapsible field you can tap to expand. If you do not see a personalization box, that usually means the item doesn't accept custom notes, so only proceed when the listing clearly provides this field. When you find the Add Personalization box, click or tap inside it to start typing your note. Use the exact wording the seller should use. If you're adding initials, names, or dates, type them exactly as you want them engraved or printed, including capitalization and punctuation. Many sellers follow your text literally, so double-check spelling and any special characters. If the listing asks for specifics, like font choice, placement, or a monogram order, include those details in a clear, simple format so it's easy to follow. Keep an eye on any character limit shown near the field, and prioritize the most important details first. If the personalization is required, you'll usually see a prompt or asterisk indicating it must be filled in before you can continue. If it's optional, you can still use the box to add helpful notes that match the seller's instructions. Avoid including sensitive personal information. Stick to details directly related to the customization. Before moving on with your purchase, take a moment to reread your note from top to bottom. Confirm names, numbers, and formatting are correct, and make sure you've provided everything the listing requests. That simple review helps prevent delays and ensures the maker can get started right away. And that's it. By going to Etsy, selecting your item, locating the Add Personalization section, and typing a clear, accurate note, you set your order up for a smooth and successful customization.